Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Şamil Çetinkaya, and today I'm going to try to answer the questions that are asked in the lab. So, in the lab, our teaching assistant found the fill factor as 144%. The question is, do you think this fill factor is feasible? Explain. By definition, fill factor is the ratio of effective conductor area over the window area. So we can formulate K fill as NA cont over a window. We can make an analogy. We can think a basket with marbles, and one can see the space between marbles easily. Therefore, marbles cannot fulfill the volume of the basket. So the ratio of full factor cannot exceed 100%. Ideally, it can get maximum 100%. Then our lab assistant measured the inductor value as 607 microhenries. And the question is why it is different than the calculated one, which is all 600 microhenries. Well, I believe there is two reasons behind that. First, when we calculated the turn number, we rounded it up. And secondly, since we do not live in an ideal world, some differences may occur. And when we come to the third question, the third question is why we measured two different values for the same product of same factory. Well, maybe throids are same, but when I watched the video again and again, I realized that the second winding was like taped into the toroids. So, which means that the second inductor was closely winded. And as a result of this winding, the flux through the core may be increased. We can explain it like that. There is a current, and think like that. This is a core, and the other core is like that. The flux may be increased, and this may be the result of it. And finally, she connected the inductors in series. She calculated the inductor values as 640 microhenries and 644 microhenries. And when she connected in series, she calculated the inductance as 2.7 millihenries. And when she reverse series connected, it was 24 microhenries. Well, series connection of inductors is similar to the connection of resistors. However, when you add two of them, you do not get this. So we need another thing here, which is called mutual inductance. Mutual inductance can be explained as there is a self-inductance in here from the first current in the first winding, and this current creates another flux that goes through the other one. So this has self-inductance, and from this it has mutual inductance. Therefore, when you add them and add with the mutual inductance, you can get this value, and when you reverse connect it was like L1 plus L2 minus 2m, so it is near to 0. So we can get a conclusion that the series connection of the two two inductors are greater than their summation because of the mutual inductance. Thanks for your attention. Have a great day.